Are you tired of being told that the only way to stay healthy as you age is by breaking a sweat, walking miles, or pushing yourself to the limit? You're not alone. For years, this has been the common advice given to people over 55 about exercise. But what if that advice is actually draining your energy instead of boosting it? As we get older, it's true that our bodies change. We might notice things like heavier legs, swelling, shortness of breath, or just not feeling as energetic as before. But here's the truth. These aren't simply just getting older. They're signs that your body is craving a smarter approach to movement, not punishment. What if I told you that there are specific movements that can help you counter these effects of aging, improve your circulation, posture, strength, and independence without leaving your home? Keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I create educational videos about simple movements that make daily life easier and healthier. And in this video, I'll teach you why walking isn't enough and what to do instead. So make sure to watch until the end because lines reveal the bigger truth that most people don't realize. It could change how you approach fitness and make a real difference in your life. Now let's dive into the 5 powerful movements that will transform how you feel. Exercise number 1, chest opener. Most people don't realize that poor posture and restricted breathing can zap your energy levels, making you feel sluggish and off your game. Imagine trying to run a marathon with your head held down and your lungs barely working at half capacity. That's what it's like when you don't take care of your posture and breathing. And trust me, it's no way to live an energized life. So let's fix that with our first exercise, the chest opener. Here's how to do it. Stand about arm's length away from a wall with your hands at chest height. Bend your elbows and slowly bring your chest towards the wall, almost like you're trying to hug it. Make sure to keep your elbows bent throughout the movement. Then push back to the starting position and repeat several times. This simple exercise opens up your lungs, improves your breathing, and instantly boosts your energy levels. Think of it as a quick reset button for your body and mind. Just a few chest openers and you'll feel more energized and ready to tackle anything. Don't believe me? Give it a try and see for yourself. Exercise number 2, hand squeeze. High blood pressure is a sneaky energy killer, making you feel drained and off your game before you even realize it. Now imagine squeezing a tennis ball, stress ball, or towel with moderate force for just a few minutes. Not only does this simple exercise help lower blood pressure naturally, but it also improves circulation, giving you a boost of energy that lasts. Here's why it works. When you squeeze something, you're putting pressure on your arteries, which sends a signal to your body to relax and lower its blood pressure. At the same time, you're improving circulation by getting more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs. And guess what? This simple trick can make a big difference in how you feel. Just a few minutes of hand squeezing can leave you feeling more energized and focused. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, grab a tennis ball, stress ball, or towel and give it a squeeze. It's a quick and easy way to boost your energy levels and take control of your health. Exercise number 3, second heart activator. Did you know that your calves have a secret superpower? They act as a second heart, helping to pump blood back to your heart and improve circulation. But here's the problem. When your calves aren't working properly, you might experience heavy legs, swelling, and a general lack of energy. It's like trying to run a marathon with one leg tied up. Not only is it tough to keep going, but you lines probably feel exhausted and ready to call it quits long before you reach the finish line. But don't worry, I have a solution. Our third exercise targets your calves and activates their superpower, giving you a boost of energy that will make you feel like you can take on the world. Here's how to do it. Simply sit down and lift your heels off the ground while keeping your toes down. Then switch and lift your toes off the ground while keeping your heels down. Repeat this motion several times. By doing this, you're helping to pump blood back to your heart, relieving heavy legs, swelling, and boosting your energy levels. Think of it as giving your calves the workout they need to unleash their full potential as your second heart. Just a few reps of this exercise and you'll feel lighter, more energetic, and ready to tackle anything. Exercise number 4. Independent Strengthener. As we age, maintaining our independence becomes a top priority. We want to be able to do the things we love without relying on anyone else. But the problem is that many people over 55 lose the ability to rise from a chair or get up after falling due to weak thigh muscles. It's a scary thought, but it's also a challenge that we can overcome with the right approach. Our 4th exercise focuses on building thigh strength, giving you the power and confidence to move independently. Here's how to do it. Sit straight with your back flat and extend one leg straight out in front of you until your knee is fully extended. Hold this position for 3 seconds and then lower your leg slowly and with control. Repeat this movement on the other side and continue alternating back and forth. By doing this, you're targeting the muscles in your thighs and helping to build strength and control. Think of it as a mini workout for your legs that will pay off in a big way down the road. Just a few reps of this exercise each day, and you lines be well on your way to building the thigh strength you need to stay independent and active for years to come. Exercise number 5, Endurance Builder. Building endurance is essential for maintaining a high level of physical activity and independence as you age. But many people over 55 struggle with balance, stability, and overall endurance, which can make everyday tasks like walking or climbing stairs feel like a major challenge. It's a frustrating situation, but one that can be improved with the right approach. Our 5th exercise focuses on building endurance and stability in your legs, giving you the stamina you need to tackle everyday tasks with ease. It's very similar to the last exercise, but with a slightly different focus. Sit straight with your back flat and extend one leg straight out in front of you until your knee is fully extended. Hold this position for a few seconds longer than the last exercise, then slowly lower your leg back down to the ground. Repeat this movement on the other side and continue alternating back and forth. By doing this, you're targeting the muscles in your thighs and helping to build strength, stability, and endurance. Think of it as a gentle workout for your legs that will pay off in a big way over time. Just a few reps of this exercise each day, you lines be well on your way to building the endurance you need to stay active and independent for years to come. The bigger truth. Now that you've learned about all 5 of these amazing movements, let's talk about the bigger truth that most people don't realize. You do and have to spend hours in the gym or push yourself to the limit to reap the benefits of exercise. In fact, these 5 gentle movements can deliver more benefit than a long, punishing workout. Your body doesn't need marathons. It needs consistency, circulation, and strength in the right places. So here's the bottom line. After 55, small consistent movements done regularly will make a huge difference in how you feel. With a few minutes of practice each day, you can improve your posture, breathing, reduce blood pressure, strengthen your calves, and boost your energy levels. All that matters is that you start today, pick one exercise and try it. Add more gradually until all 5 are natural and comfortable for you. Small daily effort beats one intense session. In just 2 weeks, you'll notice lighter legs, easier movement, better breathing, and more energy. Remember, every movement counts. Consistency is key. You deserve to feel good, strong, and alive. And with these 5 exercises, you can achieve just that. So give them a try and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. Which one will you try first?